Goyal Brothers Prakashan presents the all-new Gateway to Science series for classes 9th and 10th. NEP 2020-aligned, the Gateway series textbooks are in keeping with the latest CBSE syllabus and exam pattern and allow learning any textbook topic with just a simple scan. Let's explore its salient features. The books focus on building conceptual understanding by utilizing your basic knowledge with simple and easy to understand language that makes learning relatable, engaging video lectures that allow self-paced learning, and crisp diagrams and illustrations that make information easily comprehensible. Knowledge enrichment boxes such as Did You Know, You Must Know, multiple practical activities explained step by step using animation, in-depth explanations of visual-based questions, and detailed answers to NCERT exercise questions in every chapter add an extra layer to your understanding. Let's see how the book helps you gain clarity. A comprehensive range of practice problems categorized into multiple choice, higher order thinking skills, assertion and reason, case study based, and short and long answer type questions cover every aspect of the chapter and help build your grasp. Frequent in-text self-assessment exercises in each chapter allow a quick check of your understanding before moving on to the next topic. Designed to encourage critical thinking, numerical and competency-based questions in every chapter allow you to put what you have learned to use in various scenarios. That means you are using conceptual understanding for problem solving, which furthers your understanding. What about exam preparation? The end of chapter practice exercises feature exam type questions. For class 10th, the exercises include previous 5 years board exam and sample paper questions, meaning you know what type of questions show up in the exams along the way. Check out Gateway to Science books on our website meritbox.app and start learning anytime, anywhere at your own pace.